Hey, it's Divino with personal and business credit consulting. Has this ever happened to you? I just got off the phone with a lady who was complaining because her credit card company, out of the blue, no reason whatsoever, just closed her account. She had a $10,000 credit card with Chase with a good 10-year history, and she gets a letter from them saying, sorry, we've decided to close your account. She's used it from time to time. It just, apparently they did some kind of quality control, and out of the blue, they closed it. She's got great credit scores in the 700s, no other delinquencies, but yet they still closed her account. I told her she could try and call them and see if they'll open it up, but they won't give her the same history that she once had, and they may not even give her the same credit limit she once had. She could try contacting the government agencies to help her, but there's nothing they can do because the banks are at their own discretion to close your account or not. You could try with the credit bureaus, but they're no help at all. I'm sorry to say, there's nothing you can really do in regards to a situation like that. If it does drop your credit score and you need some help raising your scores, then let me know, because I can always help you with some trade lines to help you raise your credit scores so you can do the things that you're trying to do. Talk to you soon. Divino, personal and business credit consulting.